This 5-minute solution will show you how to speed up Wi-Fi on iPhone. If your Wi-Fi speed is too much low after your last iOS update, follow this easy and step-by-step guide to improve your Wi-Fi speed on iPhone. The first solution is forget your Wi-Fi network and reconnect it. Go to your iPhone settings and tap on Wi-Fi. Tap on this info button next to the Wi-Fi you are connected. Tap on forget this network. Tap on forget and then rejoin to the Wi-Fi and then check the issue. The second solution is change your Wi-Fi DNS. Go to your iPhone settings and tap on Wi-Fi again and tap on this eye icon next to your Wi-Fi. Scroll down and tap on configure DNS. Select manual. Remove previous DNS from here and tap on add server and add these two server here 8.8.8.8 and the second one is 8.8.4.4 and tap on save. And after changing your Wi-Fi DNS, check the issue. The third solution is disable background app refresh. Go to your iPhone settings and scroll down and tap on general. Tap on background app refresh. Tap on background app refresh and make sure it's off. And it will speed up your Wi-Fi speed. And the last method is update your iPhone again. Go to your iPhone settings and check for any new update. If you see any update available, all you have to do is just update the latest iOS version and it will also increase your Wi-Fi speed. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.